Are your children and grandchildren interested in learning about your family
Well, we
history?
did. My son Paul, who just went from here, he was with us some days, and his brother Carl, my two boys, and the wife of Carl, and I went to my school. And what happened was this called the Vasa Gymnasium. Each of these gymnasium, started age when you finish grade school, age 10,
This is in
and you have
Vienna?
8 years. Well, in Europe, I think, Germany, Sweden, France, I think.
Yeah.
If you want to go to university, you have to go that route. At the end, there's an exam called the Matura, which covers all the subjects. What happened there was this Frau Renate, I can't even pronounce it, Mercanitz, Mercsanits, is about 50 years old, so well younger than I am. And she had made it her business about 10, 15 years ago to find all the kids that were Jewish and had been kicked out of the Vasa Gymnasium at that time. And she told them, invited them to a meeting for some days, and I couldn't come. She asked us all to write about how we got out of Austria and our experiences. And then we were planning, my kids and I, to go visit Vienna, and we contacted her, and she said, come to the gymnasium. And then she agreed that I was going to give a little talk to the kids about the 38 period, the Hitler period. And she just was a stunning woman in every way. Her attitude couldn't be better, and the concern that this was just evil. And apparently a fair number of people feel that she did something about it. And they did give me a chance to talk to this class of 17-year-olds. And they were very interested, not so much in my memories from 38 as to what does the world look like now to you. Are you thinking of coming back? Just exactly what you asked. Are you thinking of moving back to Austria, they asked, among other things. But it was just such a lively bunch of young people, really intellectually active and interested in the same gymnasium. And the gymnasium, they had one thing that stunned us. They took us into a locked room in this gymnasium and showed us a very thick book of thin pages. And these were the grade sheets of all the students for the last 50 years, including my grade sheets from 38. So 50 can't be right, but anyway. And I saw my own grade. I got a genügend in athletics, in gym, and gut in Mathematics. But the idea of keeping the record is sort of striking. And it's a fancy building, this Vasa Gymnasium, and I think they take their gymnasia very seriously. Certainly that one.